The new X Ads dashboard is here and I'm super pumped for it. It's generating more followers, more leads, and more sales. And it actually allows you to use AI to calculate your ROI. In this video, I'm gonna break down step by step how to set up your new sales campaign in the new Twitter dashboard. Hey there, I'm Brad Smith, owner of AutomationLinks. Been doing this marketing stuff for the last 10 years, worked with over 2,500 brands, and we help you set up X ads. I've got a ton of videos on my channel that you can go check out. Not gonna bore you with that. You can always go learn more here, but I'm gonna share my screen and show you the new dashboard and how you can actually implement it into your business to get more followers, leads, and sales. And if you want the full breakdown on how to set up these X ads, make sure it's tracking properly, comment system down below. Somebody from my team will send you the full X ads blueprint that you can steal and use for your brand. You ready? Let's dive in. All right, so here's the new dashboard. Totally different than the old dashboard. If you watch any of my other videos, or if you've tried it on your own, you would see this. And you can always go back to the old dashboard by clicking on Go to Legacy here if you'd like. But what this is gonna do is use AI to track your campaign, track your leads, and track your sales. So it's gonna auto default to this sales campaign. Now, secret trick, if you click on the link in the description below, I'm gonna show you this social database Chrome extension that will build out your entire X audience. Go ahead and use that, it's free. And I'll post the link right in the description below. So if you change sales to something else, it'll actually revert back to the old dashboard. So what we wanna do is stick with sales. From there, go ahead and name it whatever you want. Make sure you have a good card on file. Now just remember, in order to run X ads, you need to have a verified account. So don't forget that. If you try to set it up without a verified account, it wouldn't get approved. Next, choose your location on where you want to advertise to. Today, let's just stick with the United States, but you can add up to 5 countries here and based on wherever you think your ideal customers are. Choose the gender and the age range. I like to keep this pretty wide open because I get real specific on my retargeting. From there, you want to set up your budget. So what's your budget? And this is where the magic happens. Return on investment. They're going to show you here a target bid estimate. And if you enter that CPA, the daily budget, it'll estimate how many leads and sales it thinks it can get you. So if we have a daily budget of, let's just say 20, and we want our target cost per action to be 5, it's going to tell you you're going to get 28 content views a week. For every $5 in ad spend, X will aim to deliver 1 content view. Now, you can always do a couple other things. And if you want to learn how to set up this action, make sure you watch my other videos in this playlist to show you how to set these up to actually track the sales. Now, once you're there, you can play around with your budget a little bit. You can go to something like that. But next, I'm going to show you, instead of leads, this is showing leads, how to track the sales. Okay, the next one you can do is now track sales instead of leads. So this is where you want to pick an action. You can see the other one has new leads where it tracks leads, but this one has purchases, how many purchases you can get. So let's calculate it. For $100, I'll spend up $20 per purchase. And now you can see it gives us the ROI estimate that will average around 35 purchases a week. For every $20 in ad spend, it'll try to aim to get us 1 purchase. And how you want to calculate this is what's your average order, what's your profit, and how much are you willing to spend for a new customer. Now you can go ahead and switch this to leads as well. And now you'll be able to calculate leads. Spend 100, your target cost per lead is 20, so you'll get 35. Now for leads, it's gonna be a little bit less. I'm only willing to spend $2 per lead. So for $100, I'll get 350 leads a week. Now, try to estimate this the best that you can. It's not gonna be 100% accurate, but play around with some numbers. And what you wanna do is tell the AI, what's the most you're willing to spend? If it's a good lead, I'm willing to spend more. And then that's it. Now you can supercharge your ad campaign with AI-powered suggestions from Grok, and it'll actually pre-fill out the entire ad for you. So go ahead and put the website URL in there, generate the assets, and now it's gonna create the perfect ad for your brand using X ad sales. Now, if you need any help setting up the pixels and the tracking, you'll be able to reach out to my team who sets this up for people, or you can just go ahead and join this system if you comment system down below, and it'll walk you through the different steps on setting this up. But let's wait for the final result. You ready? Okay, now it's gonna say select your text. I'm gonna go ahead and choose a couple text here. Then it says choose your image. I'm gonna add a few images. And then from there, we wanna go ahead and choose the headline. From there, we're gonna apply the selections and you can see it created the ad there for us. You can do a few ads here. You can add a single photo or video, or you can go ahead and add a carousel. And what I recommend is taking things that you would post on Instagram or YouTube or Facebook and posting them in here. And if you're a business owner or entrepreneur, take the different content from your LinkedIn or Twitter and post it in here as well. Now, once the ad's set up and you're ready to launch, you'll be able to go back to the dashboard and you can actually ask Grok if it has any improvements. Analyze campaign with Grok. That's going to give you up a full analysis, break down step by step some other suggestions it may have for you. All right, so what are you waiting for? Dive into this XAds stuff. It's where more and more people are going. The costs are super low, and it's a way for you to build relationships with your audience, get them to follow you, teach them stuff, and then they'll come back and purchase from you. Use this AI, it's really powerful. And of course, reach out to my team if you need any help setting this up. Thanks again for watching this video. And if it brought you any value, it'd be awesome if you subscribe and make sure you check out my other XAds videos on this playlist here. I will see you on the next video.